Okay, well I've tried to do a quick cheat with some 2 to 3 mil particle board to bring it up, and it's nearly done it. Nearly. So I'm going to have to do something else. So just running along the surface here, it's catching. So it's just, see there, just high enough. Do you know what I haven't done? I haven't screwed the top down. And I haven't put a supporting bar across here, which might actually bring the height of it down. See, that's actually still too low on this side at the front. It's good on this side, but it's not on that side. So the sides are good. I wonder if there's a little bit of warp along its length that way, and that's going to make a difference. I think what I need to do is actually mark out the lines for fixing this in place and screw the top down before I start monkeying about with that, because in theory that might fix it. Might. Right, okay, I'm going to mark out to put the screws in the top to hold the top in. I'll do that off camera because you don't need to see that. And then I'll put it back on as I get everything screwed in and see if it makes a difference. All right, back soon.